In this video, I'm going to show you the different versions of Discord Nitro that you can buy for your Discord account. So there's two different things that are Discord Nitro. You've got Discord Nitro, which is for your account, and you've got Discord Nitro Boosting, which is for servers. This can be a bit confusing. If you're looking for the Discord Nitro server boost, I have a different video right here that you should watch. But this is the Discord Nitro that you buy for your account. So how do we get to the Discord Nitro? Here on Discord, we click on the cogwheel with user settings, and then we go to Nitro. Here you see two versions of Nitro, Nitro Basic and Nitro. But actually there are three versions of Nitro. The third one is Nitro Classic. This is the version I have. You see here, Nitro Classic is no longer available for new purchases. I'm not sure if this message pops for everyone, but this pops up for me because I have Discord Nitro Classic. As an existing Classic subscriber, you can keep your plan as long as your renewal is successful. Basically, I can get a cheaper version of Discord Nitro. Okay, so we have the versions here where we can subscribe or upgrade, and here it mentions things that you unlock when you buy this. I think instead of looking here, it's actually easier to scroll down and look here instead. So here we have Discord Nitro Basic and Nitro. Sadly, they haven't put Classic in here because you can't buy that anymore, but if you already have it, I'm gonna go over those perks in a second as well. Discord Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs €9.99. I'm not sure what this is in dollars. I'm not sure if they just convert it to dollars. If you are American, please let me know in the comments because I love to know if these are the same in dollars or if they're going to be more because euros are worth more than dollars. But basically here you can see how much it costs anyway. If you have Discord Nitro, custom emotes anywhere and they can be animated. So what does this mean? Okay, I'm going to go to my server here real quick and we can see that I have emotes in this server. So here we have my 45 meme. I've got this one. This is animated so I can post this. And now it's an animated one. You need to have Discord Nitro to be able to do this. But besides from the ones that are in Tree's meeting room, I can scroll down and these are all the emotes from other servers. Let's say here, I can just use this emote from my other Dutch server. And I can also post that. This means I can basically post any server emote in another server as long as the server allows it. If I edit this channel's permissions, you can see that there's something about emotes. External emoji. So if this is off, you can't use it. But normally a lot of people take this on. Custom stickers anywhere plus 300 Nitro exclusive. So you can also do stickers. So not only emoji, but also stickers. And then this is super reactions. That's kind of new. You can do 2 with basic and 5 with Nitro. And bigger file sharing. Basically, if you want to share a document or a picture, it can be up to 50 MB with Nitro Basic and 500 with normal Nitro. You can not HD stream with Basic, but you can with Nitro. Up to 4K and 60 FPS. You can still do 1080 if you want, or 30 FPS if you want that, because of course it's also restraining your PC. So if you can't do that, you can always do it lower, but this is the highest you can do. And here's a couple things that you can only do with the normal Nitro and not with the Basic. We have access to more activities. We have 2 times boost. So this is server boosts. You can do those by boost here, see levels and perks. We can boost the server here. And then with these boosts, we can get more things on the server. If you want to know more about that, watch that other video about server boosts. So you only get that with the normal Nitro and not with the Basic or Classic. Animated avatars, banner, profile theme and custom tag. So basically if you go to your profile, we're gonna edit user profile, change our avatar here with a custom one. The mine is a GIF, so it's moving. We can have a banner behind it if you want to. You can see there's more options here if you have Nitro but not the Classic or the Basic one. There's all these options here, but these options right here are for Discord Nitro Classic and for Discord Nitro Basic. Colors for your Discord team, so you can have the background of your Discord be a different color. You can only do that with the Nitro. Nitro badges on your profile, you get that with both subscriptions. Custom video backgrounds, also with both subscriptions. If you use a webcam, you can do a green screen effect. It isn't actually a green screen, but it cuts you out and you can have a different background behind you. Custom sound anywhere. You have this soundboard feature nowadays and you can click on the sound and it will play in the voice chat. Normally you can only do that with sounds from that Discord server, but if you have the normal Nitro, the more expensive version, you can do that with sounds of other servers as well. And if you have the more expensive version, you can also join 200 servers instead of 100. And the last thing is you can have messages of 4,000 characters. So how do we know what we get with Discord Classic now? I found this page and it says that these are the perks of Discord Nitro Classic. Profile customization, so that's what I just talked about already. 30% discount on boost purchases. So if you want to boost the server, you get a discount of 30%. Use custom and animated emojis anywhere, bigger file uploads, and screen sharing up to 1080p 60 FPS. So not like the more expensive one, which is 4K 60 FPS. With the classic version, you can do 1080p 60 FPS. If you have more questions about Discord Nitro boosting, let's jump with me into this video about Discord Nitro boosting, and we will figure things out together.